Welcome Primary 4. Let's start our revision today. Today we want to solve Model 3 in your school book. Bring your school book and be ready. The first question is choose the correct answer. Number 1, 150,000 equal. I want to choose the right answer here. The first step, let's write 150,000. To write this number, just cancel the word thousand and put instead 3 zeros. So this is the 150,000. Now I want to choose the suitable one. The third one is suitable because here we have 1,500 hundreds. It means I'll cancel the word 100 and put 2 zeros like here. So this is the same number. So I'll choose 1,500 hundreds, the third choice. Number 2, the digit which represents million in the number 78,201,654 is. Where is the million? This is the first group. The second, the third group is millions. We have million and 10 million. So the million is 8, digit 8. Digit 8 is the million. Number 3, the number which is its factors 2 and 2 and 3, and the number which its factors 2 and 3 and 3. I want to compare between the two numbers. The first one will be 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. So this is the first one. The second one, 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 3 equal 18. So we have 12 and 18. Of course, 12 is less than 18. Number 4, the measure of any angle of the square. In Unit 2, in the geometry, we studied that all angles of a square are right angles, and the measure of right angle is 90 degrees. So I choose 90 degrees. Number 5, the smallest prime number is. The smallest prime number. Yes, we all know that the smallest prime number is 2. 3 also a prime number, but 0 and 1 are not a prime number. 3 is a prime number, but this is not the smallest prime number. The smallest prime number is 2. I hope you remember that the prime number means the number which has only two factors, 1 and itself. Number 6. If the perimeter of an equilateral triangle, equilateral means all sides are equal, is 12 centimeters, then the length of each side. We have 3 sides. All the 3 sides are equal in length, and the perimeter is the summation of sides is 12. So I'll divide 12 by the 3 sides equal. 12 divided by 3, timetable 3. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. So each side is 4. 4 times 3 equal 12, or 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal 12. Number 7, 6,254,117 equal 254,117. So the missing digit is 6, and 6 here is in millions. So I'll choose 6 million. Number 8, the diagonals of a rhombus are. We said the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular but not equal in length. Equal and not perpendicular in rectangle. Equal and perpendicular in square. But in rhombus they are perpendicular but not equal. Number 9, the number which is nearest to the result of this addition problem. Which one? We have here approximately 4 million and here 5 million. So 4 plus 5 is 9 million. Number 10, the place value of digit 3 in the number. In this number, this is digit 3. What is the place value of digit 3 here? Yes, 10,000. We have unit, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Number 11, 54 is a number that is divisible by. 54. Devise the timetable in your mind. 54 is in timetable, is a result in timetable 6. Yes, because 6 times 9 equals 54. So 54 is a number that is divisible by 6. Number 12. The lowest common multiple for 8 and 16. Write the multiples of 8, 0, 8, 16, and so on. Multiples of 16, 0, 16, and so on. So the common between the two numbers, or the lowest common multiple here, is 16. Okay. 7070 divided 35. Let's make the long division. We have 7070 divided by 35. Write the timetable of the divisor of 35. We will take 2 digits because we have here only 2 digits. So I'll take 70 divided 35. Look at the table. We have 70 here. So the result is 2. 2 times 35 equals 70. Write 2 up there. Yes. And then 2 times 35 equals 70. I subtract. The result will be 0. Then drop down 7. 7 divided 35 can't be. 7 is less than 35, so I'll put 0. Okay, 0 times 2 equal 0, so the result will be 7 as it is. So I'll now drop down 0. 70 divided 2 equal 2. Then 2 times 35 equals 70, and subtract. The result is 0. So the result here is 202. We will choose 202. Number 14, the side length of a square of area 36 and the side length of a square of perimeter 20. Let's start with the first one, the side length of a square of area 36. We all know the area of a square equals side length by itself. So I want a number. If I multiply it by itself, the result will be 36. The same number. I want to multiply a number by itself, the result is 36. 36. Revise the timetable in your mind. We have 6 times 6 equals 36. So the side length here is 6. Okay, what about the side length of a square of perimeter 20? Perimeter of a square means 4 times side length. Means 4 times what? Equal 20. 20 divided 4. So 5. Okay, so here we have 6 centimeters and here 5 centimeters. So I'll choose greater than. Number 15. We want to write this number together. 32,008,015. In millions we have only 32. In thousands we have only 8. So I'll put 2 zeros because we don't have 10,000 or 100,000. Here we have only 15. We don't have 100. So I'll put another 0. So this is the required number. Number 16. 3.5 kilometers equal how many meters? We have 3 kilometers. We all know that 1 kilometer equal 1,000 meters. So 3 kilometers, 3,000. So we have 3,000 and half. Half. What is the half of 1,000? 500. Yes. So we have 3,500. Number 17. The factors of 50. To get 50, you can multiply 1 by 50, or 2 by 25, or 5 by 10. So the factors of 50 are 1 and 2, 5 and 10, 25 and 50. Okay, 25 and 50. Also, you can make a factorization to get the same numbers. Number 18. The summation of measure of interior angles of triangle is, of course, 180. You all know. Number 19. We have 8 times 765 times 125. Okay. We keep in our mind. Okay. We said before 8 times 125 equal 1,000. We all kept in our mind 8 times 125 equal 1000. And we said also 4 times 25 equal 100. It's very important to remember this number. So 8 times 125, 1000. I want to multiply 1000 by this number. Multiplying by 1000 means add 3 zeros to the right. So the result will be 765,000. Number 20, lowest common multiple of two numbers, 2 and 4. Lowest common multiples. Okay, let's revise the multiples of 2, 0, 2, 4. The multiples of 4, 0, 4. So we have a common is 4. If the dimensions of a rectangle is 5 and 3, then its perimeter. The perimeter of rectangles means length plus width, then multiply by 2. Length plus width, then multiply by 2. So I'll add 5 plus 3, 8, then multiply by 2. 8 times 2 equals 16. An equilateral triangle is number 22. An equilateral triangle, all sides are equal in length. The length of two sides, 6 and 6. So the third one, also 6, because this is an equilateral triangle. Okay, the highest common factor for the numbers 18 and 16. Let's make factorization for the two numbers, 18 and 16. Okay, I want to divide only by prime numbers. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Okay, also we have 16. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 4 divided by 2 equals 2, and 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So we have 18, 3 times 3 times 2, and 16, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. The only common here is 2. Okay, so if I write the factors in a column, here the only common is 2. I'll take 1 from each common column. Here we have only one common column. Here is 2. So I'll take only 1, 2. So the highest common factor for numbers 18 and 16 is 2. Number 24, arrange the following numbers in an ascending order. Ascending means start from the smallest one. Okay, look at here. Here we have all numbers consist of 6 digits. The first step is to count the digits of each number. Here all numbers consist of 6 digits. So I look at the last digit in the left. Here we have, this is the smallest one. We have 1. So I take 156,842. This is the first one. Now we have 6 and 8. So we will start by 6. We have 681 and 685. So I write 681,542. Then 685,421. Now we have 8 and 8. 861 and 865. Start with the smallest. The smaller one here is 861,542, and the last one will be 865,421. Number 25, draw a triangle ABC in which AB 7 centimeters, measure of angle A 45, and measure of angle B 75. This is the first step, or the first required in this question. Let's start with the drawing. I'll start with AB 7 centimeters. Use your ruler and your pencil. Draw a line segment of 7 centimeters and name it AB. This is the first side of the triangle. Now measure of angle A 45. So put your protractor, the center of your protractor, on the vertex A and draw an angle of 45 degrees. Then measure of angle B 75. Go to point B and put the center of protractor then on B, then draw an angle of 75 degrees. Okay, the intersection point here is C. So we have A, B, C. This is the triangle. Okay, let's complete. Find the measure of angle C. We have two angles and we want the third one. The third one is missing. And we know that the summation of measure of interior angles of a triangle is 180. So I subtract the two angles from 180. 180 degrees minus 45 plus 75. The result will be 60 degrees. Okay. Okay. Now I want to determine the type of this triangle according to the measures of its angle. We have 45, 75 and 60. The greatest one is 75 and it's an acute angle. So this triangle is acute angle triangle. The last question, number 26, the opposite figure. We want to find the area of the shaded part, the blue part here. Okay. The area of this part means the area of the outer rectangle minus the area of the inner rectangle. So the area of the outer one will be length by width. The area of rectangle, length times width. 6 times 5 equal 30 minus 5 times 4 equal 20. So the result is 10 centimeters square. Okay, so the area of the shaded part will be 6 times 5 minus 5 times 4, which is 10 centimeters square. Okay, that's all about our session today. Try to solve this model yourself. Thank you very much for watching. See you next session. Good luck.